on guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. How are you all doing? Let me know in the comments. Now last week, I went to France with school for 5 days. And you know what? Of course I vlogged it. Now I didn't really talk much in the vlog. So for a few clips, I'm gonna have to talk over it just like this because I just couldn't really talk and vlog in front of teachers because, you know, it's just really awkward to vlog in front of teachers. But anyways, we start off the vlog with me on the way to France. Let's go. Our group name is called Bag. Let's get on with the video. We're going to go to the chocolate factory now, which should be fun, but yeah, let's go. Easy come, easy go. Then we finished off at the chocolate factory and just went to the place we were staying at and made some pancakes. Otherwise known as crepes in French. Anyways, that's really it for the Monday. I didn't really vlog much, but then we got on to Tuesday, and on Tuesday we went to a bakery and we also went to a snail farm. Enjoy. Point, yes, I ate a snail. Well, hope you enjoy this bit.
Do it for the views.
Subscribe to Bianca Neves. Okay, so that's really it for Tuesday. On Wednesday, I didn't really vlog because I don't really know why I didn't vlog on Wednesday. But anyways, on Thursday, we went to a beach and to a French town. So I hope you guys enjoy. What is there? What is there? Give yourself a shout out.
And my Snapchat is xxjenny2004.
Subscribe to Bianca Neves. You should. It for Thursday. Now on Friday we went to another French town, so I hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. much it for the whole of the French kind of 5-day vlog. If you guys have enjoyed this France vlog, then make sure to slap that like button. I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support on my videos recently. Like, they've been getting so many likes, so many comments, and just thank you guys. Anyways, if you are new, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like. If we can go for 100 likes, that'll be very much appreciated. And I'll see you all on my next video. Goodbye.